It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we are cutting a little firewood in the bush. It is minus 18 out, which is about 0 Fahrenheit for all you folks that go with Fahrenheit. It is really, really cold out. And, you know, I said I just need to cut a little more firewood, no matter what, even if it's only a cord. And that's what I'm doing. I'm out here cutting some firewood. But I wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how to use a two-wheel drive tractor in the woods, in the snow. You know what? A four-wheel drive tractor is less likely getting stuck, but you can use a two-wheel drive tractor, and it's the way you operate it. So I'm going to show you. So we have the Massey 35 with the Continental Z134 motor in it. That is the one that I rebuilt. And man, it starts nice in this cold weather. So I'm going to go over some of the things, how you need to drive these tractors in the snow. Well, first thing you'll notice on these tractors, they don't have diff lock. So you can't lock the diff together. But you do have, on most tractors anyways, you do have independent brakes. The right brake, left brake. And you kind of steer with the brakes. You want to go right, you push the right brake. You want to go left, you push the left brake. I will steer a little bit, but if it's not turning, then we start using the brakes. I'm going to drive by the sugar shack, and I'm going to show you how to operate the tractor in the snow. The snow's not that deep, but really the deeper it is, the more important it is to use your brakes to steer. You start driving, you turn into the corner, and once you see that the tractor isn't turning, you hit the right brake or left brake, whichever direction you want to go, and it will turn pretty sharp. See here, it's not turning left, so you hit the left brake and it just brings it around. That is really the easiest way for a two-wheel drive tractor to go through the bush. Is just steer with the brakes gently and steer into the corner you want. So the Massey 35 made it back into the bush. The only thing you really do need is a set of good tire chains. I wouldn't say these are good tire chains because they kind of get caught in between the tread. See that? But they are a set of tire chains. You aren't going anywhere with two-wheel drive if you don't have tire chains. So you need tire chains. And then if you steer with your brakes, you can pretty much go anywhere. It is actually pretty impressive. Basically, you steer into the corner. If you want to go right, gently push right, gently push left. And it is amazing how sharp it will turn in the snow. Make sure if you're on the road after you lock them together, or you're going to end up in the ditch if you only hit one pedal. But otherwise, it is truly amazing how well a two-wheel drive tractor will do out in the snow. I wanted to make a quick video just to show you guys how well a two-wheel drive tractor works in the snow. Same thing will happen if you do it in mud. You steer with the brakes gently, steer into the corner you want to go, and it'll pretty well go unless the tractor gets totally swamped or something like that. It is truly amazing how well these two-wheel drive tractors handle snow. In the 50s and 60s, that's all people used. They used what they had, and they only had two-wheel drive tractors, and they got back in the bush. So if you have a good set of tire chains, steer with the brakes. You can go most places in most winters. We didn't have much snow this year, but I went back in the bush when there is really deep snow, and it's truly amazing how much you can get through with just a two-wheel drive tractor. So that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.